The stocks are up, the time is now. You can't miss this, invest right now. It's a franchise, boy, I'm shining now. You can't miss this, invest, here's how. In case you forgot, pick your stock, what's hot, what clears the shelves off.
Demand!
The money stacked fat, cause I can't turn the swell off. The franchise is doing big business, I live this. It's a share, we win it. Oh, you see that capital loss? You're finished. A stockholder, I stay over, my stock's tightening.
Let's jump right in. Understand the demand. Demand is what all the people command. As prices go down, people demand go up. This is why you keep going back to Pizza Hut. But if that price too high, that pizza go bye-bye. You gotta go copy some the pizza that's not as fine. Now, what's that called? The substitution effect. Related to your income. Is you feeling me yet? So if your income low, you got no money to blow. Get you some knockoff goods at the stove. But it's all good, sometimes it be like that. Your check ain't come in, so your pockets ain't fat. But it's something called elasticity of demand. When they go out of style, go copy it and you the man. And don't forget who told you first. And they know I'm 300, but I'm in first. Let's get it.
Hold up, you forgot about that market good stock. Not bringing it up is kind of a shock. We got the profit, sales, they always the best. We got the whole crew, even with Kanye West. John's classes where we get it done. Hiding protein in this class just to get some guns.
The stocks are up, the time is now. You can't miss this, invest right now. It's a franchise, boy, I'm shining now. You can't miss this, invest, here's how. Six, seven, eight.